Alright, y'all, Trucker's Life, and we back with a second video of the day. And right now, y'all, we got something good coming. We got something real good. We got a pound of ground beef, a pound of pork, a pound of ground lamb. Yes, American lamb, not Australian. Australian's a little too gamey for me. Then we got some green onions and Italian parsley, fresh. Boom. Y'all see in there. Boom. We got some ricotta cheese. We're gonna put about half of this in here. Sorry, I know y'all can't see it. Let me put y'all down here. There you go. It's about half, right? There you go. Take some garlic. Of course, we need the garlic. Boom. Italian style breadcrumbs. Open a big size so it just pours out. There we go, boom. We got 4 eggs, and then we got some Parmesan. Boom. And then we got some Italian seasoning. Boom. And then we got to mix all this. Of course, I got a glove in my hand, so yeah, see, we got them now, all mixed in, all beautiful. All right, we're gonna take them. We're gonna take about that much and form in the balls. You can tell how tender they are just by how they rotate. See that quick? Then we just put a cast iron skillet right behind the bowl, and I'm gonna do as many as I can right now. Y'all see? We got that much left, and the skillet's already full. I made 3 pounds of meat, so kind of blame myself. And then I'm gonna take some more Parmesan. This is just a presentation thing. We'll just sprinkle it over the top. This is going to go in the cast iron skillet on the grill for about 30 minutes. Because these are so moist, I don't want them to get tough. And if you look at it, you see how moist that is. Tell me that don't look good. Boy, I'll tell you, I'll smack you. But now I'm going to put a little bit more. I'm going to put some mozzarella on top now. Just a little bit of this because we don't want it to burn, you know what I mean? I know people be like, oh, don't put the cheese on before you cook the meat. No, it's going to cook into the meat. That's the thing. And y'all, see y'all, we at the yard here in beautiful Columbus, Ohio. Looking gorgeous as ever. Cold line to represent. I love this company, y'all. They love me. I love them as long as they take care of me, you know what I mean? But I was reassured today that this company loves how I run, so hey, Trigger's Life, baby. Yeah, see. I got the charcoal, the mesquite charcoal with the mesquite wood. Both burning right now together, getting them coals nice and real. And we'll be back. Hey y'all, we back. Sorry my phone died, so I wasn't able to show you the gravy, but how I hollowed this out. Only thing you do is cut a slit in the top, peel it off, and grab all the, what they call the meat out of the middle. And then we're gonna take this mozzarella, this last little bit from the bag I used earlier. We're gonna line the bottom with it, right inside. Don't worry, I got 2 bags. I got another bag after this one, because we're gonna use a lot of cheese. I'm just gonna take this and dump it. Fuck it. We're gonna take this. You know what? That might be enough for right now. Yeah, this is enough for right now because it filled up the whole bottom. See? There we go. All right, I got a second loaf. I'm gonna hollow it out for you guys. I'm gonna make 2 of them because I'm taking some to our dispatch. When I'm at the yard, I like to feed my co-workers. You know what I mean? Just take it, put a hole in there, right there. You just deep enough to where it doesn't go through the bottom, but to where it loosens it. You can get your hand inside of it. And then see how this part just kind of get your finger under there, and boom. Take that out, and then you just, I'm sorry, you gotta do it like you do you know, your significant other. Dig it out, hit them spots, hit that spot that make her squirm, and make her toes go like this. Whoa, whoa. Make her toes do that. You know how to use your fingers. You know what I mean. Or your tongue. You know. We adults over here. And I want to tell y'all happy Easter. If you guys are with your kids, give your kids love, give your kids hugs. If you're a truck driver and you were able to make it home with your kids, do me a favor, because I can't. And I'm on the other side of the country from my daughter. And give your kids hugs that I wish I could give my daughter right now. My daughter's got a birthday party to go to today, and she's more excited about that than talking to daddy, which ain't a big deal. She's 9 years old. You know, kids get excited. They get invited to a birthday party. But hey, y'all see what I'm doing, right? Look, hollowing that whole thing out. Hollow it out. You're gonna take as much meat as you can out the inside. So that way you can make the outside crispy. You don't want to put no holes in the bottom though, because if you put holes in the bottom, the gravy will seep through it. They got trash bag right here. That's why I'm going like this. And y'all, we got a hollowed out piece of bread. See, hollowed out. We're about to stuff this thing with some beautiful, I mean beautiful meatballs and some cheese and some gravy. Okay, we got this right here. This is a gravy base. I know it don't look good. It's a garlic mushroom gravy. I'm gonna deglaze iron skillet that's on the grill right now with this. And then you see this behind it. That is what I made the steaks on a little bit ago. Because I didn't eat lunch. I made that, the video I made earlier was for my dispatch. They follow me on TikTok, but they didn't want to be on TikTok for obvious reasons. Because then it looks like they're favoriting me, and I understand. But one thing we're doing with this, with the butter back here, we're going to melt the butter. Grab that out of here. You know, I don't even need that. I'm going to use garlic powder, because that way it don't put chunks on it. We use garlic powder. There we go. Some Italian seasoning. Take this little pop top off. There we go. And I'm going to have to brush it on. Okay. We got the parsley. Put a good amount of parsley on there. And we're going to let this melt. I ain't put no flour. It's just garlic, herbs, and butter. I got my little brush and all that, so we're going to use the brush to brush the bread. And then we're going to stuff the bread and do all that. Alright, we're going to put the cheese at the bottom of this, one that hasn't had cheese in it yet. And we're just going to let it go. Put some more in that one, put some more in that one. I like a lot of cheese. I like my food cheesy. But not only that, we're going to put some more Parmesan in there too. Y'all loving me, huh? Like, this might be a two-part video. With it's been a little longer than most, than usual. There we go. Look at that, y'all. That's some meatballs. There you go. I've already done half of it, but my phone was dead, so. Let's take them. See that one? We're going to do the same with this one. Take them and stuff them. Meatball sandwiches.
Oh, hell. Damn, those are good, too. Damn, those are good.
You gonna be here?
Yeah.
For how long?
Right.
You got dinner.
Alright. I won't say no.
That's how you do it, y'all. You're gonna take all these meat chunks out. We're gonna put it in here. Now, it's actually somebody I know from the company. That's why he said I ain't gonna say no, because he's heard about my cooking, but he's never had it. We're gonna gonna take that. We're gonna go back to the truck, y'all. Back to the truck. We're gonna grab the mushroom gravy. We're gonna pour it in here. Pour it straight inside there. I don't want to step on the bottom of that. Now we're gonna take this. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. Hold y'all against my stomach. We're gonna brush the outside of the bread with this garlic butter and herb sauce. On both of them, see? As I've told y'all before, my nickname in the company is a chef for a reason. This is the kind of stuff I cook when I'm at the yard, or well, y'all see how I cook, period. So, and they've never had anybody that cooks like me. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna get that gravy done. I'm gonna finish that, and I'll be back.